Diva dolls. Before I jump into this video, I just want to let y'all know, don't forget to like this video, hit that notification bell so you ladies could be updated every time I post a video, and don't forget to subscribe. So I just want to give a shout out to all my new subbies. Thank you so much for subbing to my channel, watching my videos. I very much greatly appreciate it. So we're just gonna jump into this video. It's going to be another unboxing video of a luxury bag that I purchased. If you ladies have not seen my first unboxing of my first luxury bag, I will leave the link up below so you ladies can watch that video. So we're just gonna jump into it. So I'm gonna give you ladies the background of the bag first before I actually show you ladies what I purchased. I did purchase this belt bag from Neiman Marcus, and it is the Viseto belt bag in a size small. This bag cost $391. Shipping was free, with taxes was $34.70. So that brought my total up to $425.70. Now EBATES did have a cash back. I can't remember the percentage that EBATES was giving for cash back at the time, but I did get back $46.92. So I pretty much saved some coins by receiving some money back from my purchase. Now, if you ladies want to purchase from Neiman Marcus, when you first sign up as a customer, you will receive a 15% off coupon. So definitely, if you guys gonna purchase this item, definitely check your spam, because that's what happened to me. My 15% off coupon code went to my spam account. So you ladies definitely check out your spam count, your 15% off coupon. So basically, when you go to purchase this order, you'll use your 15% off coupon. That'll bring your cost down, and you also go through EBATES to get cash back. I'm gonna show the box this way because all my information is on the other side, and I don't want nobody to see my information. So it came in this box, little small box like such, and I'm just gonna open it. This time I have my scissors, because last time I was struggling. So when you open the box, it basically have this tissue paper, and it have the Neiman Marcus sticker logo. So I'm just gonna open that. And I have not seen this bag, y'all. I'm just gonna rip this. There's some padding at the bottom of the bag, and I mean at the bottom of the box, and also at the bottom of the box is my receipt. Just gonna put this at the bottom. So the bag comes nicely bubble wrapped like this. So I'm just gonna open this bubble wrap. It just have this, and here she is. She is so pretty, y'all. And this is the back, the straps. I'm gonna take this stuff off. So I'm basically gonna take everything off the bag, the plastic and everything, and I'll just come back and show you guys. I went and I took all the packaging off the bag, like all the plastic off the handles. I do like the fact that the front of the bag have two zippers right here, and there is a zipper in the back. The zipper is gold. I just love the detail of this this plate. I just love MCM plating. I love MCM hardware, y'all. I just love it. And I did leave the plastic on the front. I'll just leave that on and just let it fall off on its own. The straps are very long. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the straps does say MCM on it. And the buckle is plastic. It's just a regular plastic buckle. You open it, snap it, and you basically pull this up and pull it like such to adjust. And I like the fact that it have this little thing right here to keep the strap in place so it won't be flapping. So I like that. The retail price of this bag, ladies, is $460. I don't know if y'all probably won't be able to see that. So I'm just gonna open this front pocket up. And basically it has some paper. I normally keep the paper because I like to keep the shape of my bags. So I will be keeping that. It comes with a dust bag. I'm gonna just open it for you ladies who have never seen a dust bag before. This is the dust bag. Looks like such. The material is very sturdy, like it's not gonna rip or anything. And if it just get dirty, you can either probably hand wash this or just machine wash this. So that's the dust bag. It do have some silica packets. I said it right this time. It do have some silica packets to keep the bag fresh. And this is just basically the inside of the bag. This is how the inside of the bag looks. This is actually pretty big, a pretty decent size. It do have a little pocket right here. Anything in this little folder is basically like the authenticity card, the warranty card, how to care for the bag, all that good stuff. And it does says MCM on the front. And like I said, it is a pouch, little decent sized pouch there. The pouch do not have a zipper. And it is another decent sized pouch right here as well. So this is a decent sized fanny pack. This is in the size small, ladies. They do have a large one. The large one is extremely big. Like, I've seen videos of the large one and I was like, oh my god, that looks so freaking big. Like, I don't want that big thing around my waist. So I like how this one is very small, is very convenient. I love the leather of this this waist bag. I love the detailing, the print. I love the hardware. Only thing I do wish is, I wish the tabs, where is it? I do wish these were like gold. I do wish these was like gold instead of like fabric like. But it seems very sturdy, like they're not gonna, like it's not gonna break. It is on its own D-ring, so that's good. So I'm loving this waist bag. I can't wait to, you know, use it. Summer is coming up. So I will be definitely using this bag, and I'm super excited. I'm super excited. Neiman Marcus never lets me down. So if you ladies want to buy this bag, it may be a little pricey for some people, but like I said, if you do sign up on the Neiman Marcus website, you will receive 15% off code if you are a first time customer signing up to their website, and you can also get cash back if you go through
This is how the bag is looking. I really love this bag, and I can't wait to use it in the summer.
This is going to conclude my video of my unboxing luxury MCM Viseto belt bag in the size small. Like I always say, ladies, always be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll talk to y'all divas later.